Good evening, everybody. Welcome. This here is Boom City Breaks. Tonight we are breaking Boombox Head Knockers. This here is a two-box break in which we did pick your team sales for. You can see on the left, we've already ran a filler to fill our last few slots here. Most of it filled throughout the day on Facebook. No point in giving them time to trade because it was a pick your team. That box ain't going nowhere out of view. I am just needing a little bit of room to maneuver our first box. What the heck we gonna get? I want to start getting some massive hits here, folks. Well, we got a Fanatics. Haven't pulled this team in a while. Boom! It's gonna be, looks like it's gonna be Alex Smith, guys. Alex Smith, Redskins. Alex Smith, Redskins. We've been trying to get as many of the new teams for guys as we can here for you. Who has Washington? It's going to be a B-Fred hit. Brandon Fredericks breaking a streaky. Yeah, Brandon was a little dry there for a while, bud. Maybe that's the sign of good things to come for you. All right, get on. Whoops, sorry. Let me get that back in your Fanatics bag. Keep your darn card in there. Get that out of the way. Oh. Well, boom, that there's going to be a 49er speed helmet. Boom, baby, that there is going to be the new quarterback, Mr. Jimmy G, folks. That there is going to be Mr. Jimmy Garapolo, y'all. Beautiful speed rendition of the helmet as the TriStar certification stickers on that suitcase. Well, that's going to be J-Paw. That is going to be a J-Paw hit there, fellas. Not a bad break. Mr. Jimmy G speed helmet. I know Skyler's going to be hitting you for that. J-Paw, yep. And again, actually, you'll see the Steiner and TriStars in the bottom of the box there, J-Paw. Not a bad break, Alex Smith and Jimmy G. Both on their new and current teams, folks. See if we can get on to something bigger and better next. Y'all have a good one. Join us at Breakers.tv, YouTube, Twitch, even Facebook. 7 nights a week, 8 p.m. Central. We appreciate a click on all the follow buttons. Y'all have a good one.